Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Giselle, and today I want to talk to you guys about how I plan for a vacation, how I plan my outfits, how I plan everything to travel. But before I get started with this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new, and give this video a like if you like it, and comment down below if you have any questions. So the first thing that I like to do before I travel is I check the weather at the place I'm trying to go to, because I want to make sure the weather is the best as it could possibly be. I'm from New York, well, I live in California now, but I'm originally from New York, and in New York the weather is crazy during the winter. It's blizzards, it's raining, it's crazy. So whenever I travel anywhere, like, I want it to be super hot, no rain, no storm, no nothing. I just want to wear the least amount of clothes I could possibly wear. So after you pick the month that you want to travel, you want to go and you want to check Priceline, Expedia, and Cheap Caribbean. These are the three websites that I use to find my cheap deals. And I use three different ones because it's not good to just check one. When I was going to Cabo, I was going to book my vacation through Expedia because my friend told me that she booked through Expedia and she got a great deal. And it was coming up to like $1,700. And something told me, I was like, let me check Priceline. I went on Priceline. I think it was like $1,400, $1,300. So I think I saved myself like $300 something by booking through Priceline. So always check the different websites. I like to book my stuff as a bundle with the flight, the hotel, and transportation. So basically from the airport to the hotel, from the hotel back to the airport. I find that it's easier this way, and also my friend told me to do it that way, because whenever you're going to a country where you don't know, you don't want to just hop on a random cab. You want to know that, you know, you booked this through a certain website, and you know who's going to pick you up, you know. So you want to make sure you book your transportation and everything all together. It's super easy. You don't have to be going from website to website to website, you know, flight here, this notification there. Everything is just one. Once you find out pricing, right, don't book yet. Ask one of your friends if maybe they want to go. All the time I go on vacation, my friends always like, oh my god, you should have told me you were going on vacation. I would have went with you. I had some time off. So ask your friend, maybe they want to tag along, and it will be a good time. So before you book, ask your friend if they want to come with. Also, excursions. I book my excursions through either three of these websites. My friend, she likes to book everything like at the place that she's going, because she's gangsta, and she knows how to hustle people. She knows how to bargain, you know. She knows how to get a good deal. I don't know how to do that. As soon as they see me with like my camera and a bunch of different stuff, they automatically are like, the highest price to that girl over there. So I like to book everything online. Even if you can be able to get it cheaper at the place, I just like to play it safe. I don't know who those people are where I'm going. I know that this website is legit, so I just book excursions through there as well. The next part of traveling, which is once everything is booked, everything is good to go, you got your girls ready, your girls are coming with you, is picking out your outfits. You know, you want to be fly on vacation, so you want to make sure you have a good fit so you can stunt on everybody over there. So the way that I get my outfit ideas is by checking Pinterest. Why did I say it like that? And I also like to check Instagram, and I like to see what people are wearing, you know, what's trendy, what's not. And usually Pinterest will have, not usually, but sometimes Pinterest will have like the website where the clothes is from, tagged in wherever it is that they, you know, put the clothes, and you can just get it straight out of there. The reason why I get my outfit ideas from Pinterest is because I have a really hard time, like, I still don't know what my style is. I'm still trying to look up, you know, what is my style. So I just look up a bunch of different stuff, you know, that I wouldn't normally wear, and I'm like, you know what, I'll wear this on vacation. Nobody knows me. So I get my ideas like that. One important thing about planning your outfits beforehand is that you don't overpack. I always used to have this issue where I used to overpack like crazy. And when I got to my destination, I would just have a bunch of different random items in my luggage that don't even go together. Like, I'll go to Forever 21, I'll go to the store, and I'll be like, oh, this is cute, this looks tropical, throw it in the luggage. Get to my destination, no outfits, just different stuff out there. And I was just looking random. I'll be looking super random on vacation. The way that I like to pack my clothes and my luggage is I prefer to use packing cubes, but I don't have any right now because I bought like some really cheap ones from Amazon. There's these ones right here that I highly recommend. One of my friends has them, and she has had them for the longest time ever. I like to put everything on packing cubes because it saves you like space. It like compacts everything, and I put everything by day. So what am I gonna wear in the morning this day? What am I gonna wear at night? I like to get stuff that is gonna match with a lot of different stuff. Like, I don't like to pack a lot of shoes because shoes are kind of heavy, and it's just too much. You know, when I'm on vacation, I don't want to think too much. I just want to go and just have fun. So I like to pack a lot of neutral shoes, like blacks, whites, beige, silver, or gold, and maybe I'll have one shoe that has a pop of color. But for the most part, I take like 3 heels, a pair of sandals, and some sneakers with me. The reason why I take sneakers with me is in case I'm doing an excursion. A lot of times they'll require you to wear sneakers, and it's a lot more comfortable when you're out in the street and maybe you're doing like a tour and you're walking a lot. You know, your sneakers are gonna come really in handy there. You also wanna make sure you pack some like workout clothes, some type of clothes that you can use that's sporty. So this goes together with your outfit. So your hair. If you have this type of hair like me, you have curly hair, I highly suggest that you get like your hair braided. And my go-to hairstyle when I go on vacation is box braids or knotless braids in my hair. One, because I feel like especially knotless braids are very lightweight and it doesn't bother me when I'm sleeping. I noticed that when I used to do box braids, it kind of bothered me a little because they were a little bit heavier and the knots kind of bother. But if they don't bother you, definitely go for box braids. They're a little bit cheaper than knotless and they take a lot less time. They're very versatile. You can wear them different ways. You could wear them like you could put them on 2 long braids. You could do a bun, you could do a ponytail, you could do like a half up, half down. You can change it up with your outfit because sometimes a hairstyle will clash with your outfit. Like, you don't want to do like a certain type of hairstyle and then when you wear your outfit, it kind of just doesn't go. When you do braids on your hair, all I have needed has been like a little foam thing to get rid of flyaways, edge control, and an edge thing, like an edge brush, and a bonnet so that my braids don't get looking crazy. A thing about packing that you guys might be like, what? I recommend you pack kind of last minute, literally like maybe 2 days or the day before you travel. Why? You're gonna be like, what the heck? The reason why, if you're like me, I'm very forgetful, and if I start packing like way ahead, at the end of the week, I've done so much. I'm gone like doing my nails, I did my hair, I did this, I did that, I booked this, I booked that. So I already forgot what's in the luggage. I like to pack literally the night before, which is something I never did until now, and it has been so more efficient. I forget a lot less things now. So the night before, you know, I have like a checklist that I do. I put everything down on a checklist on my phone, and I just go through it and I just put everything in the luggage. And you will definitely forget less things if you're forgetful and you always forget something when you're traveling. Definitely last minute packing will be for you. Something that is new in my, you know, travel list is getting tested for you know who before you travel. Even if it's not required, I suggest you do it just so you can have peace of mind, so that you know that you're not, you know, giving it to other people. I think I read something just now that says that before you come into the US, now you do have to get tested. So yeah, it's already the day that you're leaving, is travel day, is the day that you're getting on that flight, the day that, you know, vacation day. What do you bring with you on the plane? Bring a bottle of water, well, an empty bottle, so that you can put water when you're at the airport. You need to stay hydrated because your skin gets super dry when you're on the plane. Something that I'm gonna miss doing, I don't know when is gonna be the time when I'm gonna get to do it again. I like to bring a mask on board, and I like to do like a whole spot treatment, like some nice cream for my hand. For right now, I recommend you bring some sanitizing spray, some Clorox wipes, like for Lysol wipes. Bring some snacks because they be cheap on the plane. Make sure you bring cash in case you need to tip anybody. Definitely bring cash, which is something that I never used to do. I always used to forget to bring cash, and then I had to like get money over there with my card, and they always charge you extra and a bunch of extraness. So yeah guys, those are my tips for traveling, organized, light, you know. If you want to see more videos like this from me, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and you give me a comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.